Achoo!
You've got a cold.
No, I was absolutely fine when I left home. Seems like something has gotten into my nose.
So, why do we sneeze?
Sneezing is like coughing in your nose. When we breathe in, the air may be full of germs, dust, and other dangerous things. But the nose knows when something bad enters it. It sends an alert signal to the brain. Alert, alert! Something has gotten inside that's bad for you. And the brain starts ordering the nose muscles to start working. Our lungs fill up with more air, and we sneeze to flush out the bad stuff from our nose.
Uh-huh. Sounds like a scary mini hurricane.
Yeah. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Did you notice? The ball always falls back to the ground.
Yup, that's because the earth pulls everything around it towards it like a magnet.
Scientists